Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment me down so that I can bring for you beautiful videos and good decoration videos. So you can see the windows and all, and so also you can see blue color, and the wall you can see white color, the lamps and all, and the floor you can see beautiful floor and all, looking very good, the tables and the everything. And so you can see the window, you can see mirror, and the cupboard you can see the lamp, and the window you can see beautiful and all, and the floor you can see. And so also you can see the mirror, you can see a window outside, you can see beautiful view you will get. And the floor you can see the mat is there, beautiful mat and all, good mat. And so also you can see very beautiful, you can see the mirror and the cupboard and the mirror, the beautiful things and all. And so also you can see very beautiful, you can see the table and all, and the bag in the cupboard you can see the mirror also, you can see so it's also very beautiful, you can see the lamp and the lights, and the bed you can see in blue color, and the floor you can see wooden color theme, beautiful. So also you can see in black color theme, and the white you can see cotton and all, and the window, the flowers you can see beautiful flowers and all, looking very good. This one also very, you can see the floor, you can see the wooden color theme, and there you can see the window and all, mirror and all, looking very beautiful, very good decoration. So also you can see very beautiful, you can see the bed, and you can see cupboard and all, white color theme, the lamp you can see. This one you can see the small the plants, and the wall you can see the bed, you can see beautiful bed and all, good looking. And this one also very beautiful, you can see the white color theme, beautiful theme color, it is very beautiful looking, very good looking, the window and all. This one also you can see like hair and all, very beautiful hair and all, looking very good. The table also, the lamp and the floor you can see wooden color theme, looking very good. It's also good, you can see the red color, the red color, you can see the bed. And so you can see the white color bed, and the wall you can see, and the lamp you can see, and the table you can see the doors and all, beautiful. And this one also you can see the big plant, and the lamp you can see the side, and the books and the cups you can see, and the decoration is very beautiful, the design. And so also you can see a VIP room, you can see the photos and all on the upside, and you can see the lamp from up, you can see the candles and all, and the outside also you can see mirror, beautiful mirror and all, looking very good decoration. This one also very beautiful, you can see the bed and the window and the mirror and the decoration and design, the photos and all, very beautiful photos and all. And this one also in pink color, that you can see everything is in pink color, bed and the lamps also white color lamp and all. On the table you can keep books and all. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so don't forget to comment me down so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. And also thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.